Welcome to this video where we explore how to bring the power of artificial intelligence into Power BI. Today, we'll use AI-based forecasting to predict future sales using a dynamic line chart. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to import data, prepare it for analysis, and apply a built-in forecast to visualize upcoming trends in your business. Let's begin by importing our retail sales dataset. Go to Get Data, select text/CSV, and choose your file. This dataset includes transaction-level information such as the sale date, customer details, product category, quantity sold, price per unit, and total amount. Our goal is to forecast total sales over time, so we'll focus on the date and total amount fields. Once the data loads into Power Query, make sure the date column is formatted as date and that total amount is a numeric column. This ensures Power BI can treat it properly during forecasting. Click Close and Apply to bring the data into Power BI. To ensure better control over time-based visuals, let's create a date table. Go to Modeling, New Table, and enter the following DAX formula. Then, create a relationship between this date table and your dataset using the date field. This improves accuracy in time series analysis. Now, let's build our line chart. From the Visualizations pane, add a line chart to the canvas. Drag date from the date table to the x-axis and add a measure for total sales to the y-axis. You can create it using this formula. Ensure the x-axis is set to continuous. This is required for forecasting. With the chart selected, go to the Analytics pane on the right and click Add Forecast. This is where the power of AI comes into play. Let's walk through the forecast settings. Units refers to the granularity of the forecast. In this case, we're using daily data, so each point equals 1 day. Forecast length defines how far into the future you want to predict. In this example, we're forecasting 90 days ahead. Ignore the last lets you exclude recent data if you suspect it's incomplete. We'll leave it at 0. Seasonality tells Power BI what to detect repeating patterns. You can let Power BI detect it automatically or set a value manually, like 30 for monthly cycles. Confidence interval controls how wide the shaded forecast range appears. A 95% interval means we're highly confident the actual value will fall within that range. Now click Apply to generate the forecast. The dotted line now extends into the future, showing predicted total sales. The shaded cone represents the confidence range, how much uncertainty there is around the prediction. This gives business users a forward-looking view of performance and helps them plan accordingly. To recap, we imported a sales dataset, prepared it for analysis, created a date table, built a line chart, and used Power BI's built-in forecasting feature to project future sales. This powerful feature allows you to integrate AI effortlessly into your dashboards. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Power BI and data storytelling tutorials. Let us know in the comments what feature you'd like to explore next.